Hi, my name is Torben Vedema and I'm the communication manager of electric Superbike Twente. Normally I study creative technology, but this year I took a gap year to work on electric Superbike. The reason I chose this role as communication manager because I really wanted to widen my skill set. Normally during my studies I focus a lot on the technical aspects, and I also want to focus and learn more on the social aspects, and that's why I chose to become a communication manager. As communication manager, my tasks are I'm responsible for all of the external communication. So that's either through our social media platform, but also to our partners and also to our potential new students, such as yourself. I don't do that alone. For that I have a communication team who help me with the marketing, the events and the external relations. And my job is to manage that team. I also am part of the management sub-team, which means that my daily tasks also include things such as management meetings and strategy meetings where we discuss the whole ins and outs of the team, both engineering and communication. Now, what I find most interesting about my role as communication manager is that I get to learn a lot about the business side of things. So getting to know of the companies that are here in Twente and on the rest of the Netherlands. And also I really like the marketing aspects. So really, how do you build a strategy that really attracts your stakeholders? And yeah, that's what I enjoy.